and welcome to the DefenseTech 2025.
It's called DefenseTech. It's actually about how we can merge or at least push closer two different ecosystems.
We have 2 years war. We inject the technology from big company, small company to every domain, underground, above the ground, of course, land, sea, air, space, electronic warfare, AI, digital, attack and defense. I give you one glance of the Operation Rising Lion, these 12 days with Iran.
Today, as we meet here, Israeli defense technologies are protecting lives worldwide.
This wonderful convention, taking together the capabilities of the industry, MOD, and the capabilities of the convention center here in Tel Aviv University.
To really solve the world's biggest problems, including our defense and security problems, we absolutely need all 5 key stakeholders. We need entrepreneurs and investors, we need universities, we need the government, and we need the large corporations.
The seams between technical applications in the military and the commercial worlds, those seams are really going to weaken. You're going to see a lot more technology moving back and forth.
It's been a fabulous event, very well run. We're honored to be sponsors, and hopefully we'll be seeing you for years to come.
DefenseTech allows, I would say, all of the Israeli defense companies, including the traditional ones and emerging ones, to display their goods.
We are all seeking for innovation to bridge the challenges that our threats and our governments need.